Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to share something that I have been experiencing with the iPhone 12. And it has to do with videos on YouTube that I could not change the speed on them. So if the video is playing at a normal speed and I want to change it, let's say to 1.5 or 1.752 or going lower to 75 or 50, for some reason it would not do it. And we're able to find out why. So let's go on YouTube right now and I'll show you what I mean, okay? So here is this video that I was playing earlier. For now, I'm gonna tap on the.
Hello,
I'm gonna keep the phone,
thank you so
standing
much for
up like this,
accessing
okay?
My YouTube review
In the vertical way.
Today.
So let's tap
My
on
name
the
is
screen
Mireille
here.
Desrosiers of
On the top
JCM
right,
Productions LLC.
you will see the three dots.
My
okay?
website
That's
is
the menu. So we're gonna tap on there, and you will see for some reason when I tap on there,
due to some
it doesn't do
bad
anything.
reactions
Okay?
to medications,
And I'm gonna switch the phone
bad
in
side
the
effects,
horizontal way.
I'm
Let's do
not
the
able
same
to show
thing.
my
Let's tap
face,
on the three dots.
and I won't be able
okay?
to do it for a few
and
weeks,
then you
maybe
get
even
this
months,
menu here, and as soon as
until
you
all of
try
this
to
wears out.
touch
So I apologize for
it runs
any
away from you.
inconvenience.
So we're going to find out how
Today,
to
it's a
fix that.
pleasure
Okay?
to review
So let's
this
go.
powerful
Let's go
product
into
called
settings on this phone
Latitude.
here.
It's an easy laptop income without.
Okay, so we're opening here in settings. So here in settings, you're going to scroll down, okay? Let's scroll down. You're going to select display and brightness. Display and brightness. All right, so we're going to scroll down on the display and brightness screen until we get all the way down. Here it says display zoom. And my selection is currently, the view is currently unzoomed. Okay, so let's tap on that quickly. And sure enough, it's unzoomed. So we're going to switch that to standard. Okay, to standard. So we select standard and we select set. And then we say we confirm use standard. So let's tap on the video app, and then we're going to find that same video we're playing. So it's playing at normal speed. We're going to tap on the three little dots again. The phone is still in the vertical way, okay? So we'll tap on the three little dots in the right hand corner here. And here we get the menu. See, we're able to change it from normal to 1.5 or to whatever you want. Let me do it again. See, you get the menu. And then we're going to flip the phone in the horizontal way this time and see if we can get the menu still. Let's see.
Hope you're doing well today. Once again, this is Mireille Desrosiers.
So the video is playing here. And then let's tap on the three little dots. See, now we have the menu and it doesn't run away. Okay? So that's how you do that. So you can play it, put it on normal. You can put it on any speed that you want. So I hope this helped you. If it did help you, please help my channel to grow. Please like this video and share it if you know someone who's having the same problem with the iPhone 12. And then please subscribe to my channel. It will be very helpful to you. And it will be very helpful to me as well. Thanks again for stopping by. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.